Hi guys, my name is Katie Stuckey and I am a 5th grade teacher at Moundridge Middle School. I'm self-contained, so I teach every subject except for science. And it's a really small school. There's only me and one other co-teacher, and last year I only had 14 kids. So very rural, love my job for sure. Experience with technology. This is my very last class in this program, so I've had a lot of experience using technology. My previous district had one-to-one, but right now, how do I use technology? I was pretty lucky that, this is sad, but most of my co-teachers did not use our computers very much. So this year I got to use Chromebooks pretty often in my classroom, using Google Classroom and just some different apps that I learned about. And so I incorporate those oftentimes into my lessons. What do I hope to gain from this class? I hope to remember all of the things I've learned over the last 2 years and just kind of reflect on those tools and hopefully try and just use them all to their fullest potential. And I chose the MIT program because I knew technology was going to be a huge thing in schools, and I felt like it was actually one of my weaker points, and I still wanted to be in the classroom, so I thought that was a way for me to become a better teacher, but also just keep up with the times and try and enhance my teaching a little bit. Biggest challenges right now, the biggest challenge is not having enough computers. Our 4th grade is actually moving over to the middle school next year, so that means we'll have 4 teachers fighting over 1 or 2 Chromebook carts, which is definitely not enough. So that'll be a challenge. I hope that we can all use it and to their fullest potential, but also be able to share. And future plans. I love the classroom. I want to stay where I'm at. I've only been teaching. I just finished my 4th year, so I don't want to change my job necessarily, but I hope to continue teaching using technology in the classroom and then being on the tech committee and hopefully getting more Chromebooks in people's hands. So that's a little bit about me. I can't wait to finish up this program. Thanks, guys.